You are listening to the Living Water 2020, the daily reflections for today's Catholic, November 25, 2020. Godly Wisdom. For I will give you words in a wisdom that none of your opponents will be able to withstand or contradict. Luke chapter 21, verse 15. During my days as a preschool teacher, part of my duties was to document each child's activity in our daily logbook. Here, we input whatever skills are displayed, any new learnings, or any quotable quotes expressed. Parents take delight as we report these developments to show how their child has matured and grown in wisdom and skills throughout the semester. Growth in wisdom is always celebrated. Families rejoicing during moving up days, graduation ceremonies, and passing of board exams. But we are not always victorious in life. We fail. We commit blunders. Times like these, we tend to question our abilities, our worth, and begin to regret missed opportunities. The Lord knows all our failures and victories. He also knows our limitations. So if today you are struggling with a difficult situation, a problem seemingly without a solution, ask for wisdom. Call on the Lord, who with tender mercy and grace will equip and guide you. And like a proud parent, He will always be there to celebrate with us and celebrate us. By Minnie Ramo. Lord, lead me in your ways and guide me in your truth. Amen. Wise words. A humble soul does not trust itself, but places all its confidence in God. By Saint Faustina. For daily updates, please click like and subscribe.